Welcome to my channel. Amped Wireless R10000 router setup. Plug in the power adapter to the router and connect it to a power outlet. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's WAN internet port. Connect a computer to one of the LAN ports using another Ethernet cable. Access the router's setup page. Turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. Connect your device, PC or laptop, to the router via Wi-Fi connection. Connect to the default network name SSID found on the router label. Open a web browser and enter http://setup.ampedwireless.com or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Press Enter and wait for the setup page to load. When prompted, enter the default username and password. If needed, manually enter your ISP-provided details, PPPoE, static IP or dynamic IP. Change the Wi-Fi network, name SSID, to something unique. Update the router firmware if available. Thanks for watching.